Guys, what's up? Just replaced the pickups. This is a Warwick Vampyre SN-5 bass. Just replaced the pickups. These are MECs, a double J or twin J, whatever you want to call it, at the bridge, and a single J at the neck. Right now I have the pickups both blended equally. I have the EQ on this bass, which has got a treble and mid control, treble and bass control all the way up. I'm reducing them now, still at the blend of the pickups. This is what the bass sounds like. Just gonna run through a few settings. This is one of them. Here we go. Gonna roll back to the bridge pickup, and EQs are exactly the same at middle position, so no boost on the treble and bass. Switching over to the all the way to the neck pickup, EQ the same. Gonna shift back to the middle position, blending both the pickups. Actually, I had already done that in the beginning, so I'm gonna go to the neck pickup with the EQs all the way up. This is what it sounds like. Switching back to the bridge pickup with all the EQs all the way up. Now I'm going to lower both the bass and the treble EQs all the way off, and we're on the right now on the bridge pickup. So a lot of volume drop. Think that you could probably ramp up your bass amp for that kind of tone, but I'm not messing with the settings. Let me go to the neck pickup with the same EQs all the way off, just for a demonstration. Now we'll try the blended position, both pickups on, EQ completely off. Okay, don't see any point in kind of keeping the EQ off. Just one last, I think, tone test with which I started out with the bass pickup. Actually, one last tone test with the EQ bypass. So it's just the passive. It's a passive EQ section. So no EQing, and the bass. So this is what it sounds like. Slapping, which I'm not really good at, but just as an example of some slapping. MEC active pickups. It's also an MEC preamp. Warwick SN-5 bass. Just took it to the shop. They really did a good job on cleaning up some cloudiness in the finish. Pretty happy with it. Alright, cheers guys. I hope that was of some use. See you. Bye.